Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Cash App money into Apple Pay. Guys, you can use your Cash App balance to pay with Apple Pay at stores or online. And it's super simple with a cash card. Let's get to it. First, download Cash App from the App Store or Google Play and sign in with your email or phone. You'll need a cash card, which is free to order. Go to the Cash Card tab, request one, and it'll arrive in 7 to 10 days. Activate it in the app by scanning the QR code or entering the card details manually. No need to use the physical card. It's just for linking to Apple Pay. Open Cash App, tap the Cash Card tab, and hit Add to Apple Pay. Follow the prompts to add the card to your iPhone's wallet app. It'll ask for verification like your Cash App PIN or Face ID. Once added, your cash card appears in Apple Pay, linked to your Cash App balance. For example, if you have $50 in Cash App, you can spend it by double-tapping your iPhone's side button at checkout, selecting the cash card, and scanning. Ensure your card's unlocked in the app to avoid payment issues. Unique tip: set the cash card as your default in Apple Pay settings for faster checkouts. This works anywhere Apple Pay is accepted: restaurants, shops, or online. No direct transfer to Apple Pay is needed. The cash card bridges your balance seamlessly. By the way, Wise is a great alternative to Cash App, and I highly recommend using Wise for all your money transfers within the US and even abroad. Wise has the lowest fees out of all the major banks and payment services, and if you see the reviews online, you'll agree with me. Plus, it's free to create an account. There's a link in the description to sign up to create a free Wise account. If you use that link, you also get a free transfer up to $800 for no fees.